Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. Come along with us today as we make easy, cheesy, beautiful taco bake. Alright, so we're making easy, cheesy taco bake today, and we're doing it on the smoker in a 9x13 aluminum pan. If you're doing this in the oven, you can use a glass dish if you'd like. So let's go through the ingredients. First thing you need is 1 pound of beef, and you're going to add well, we added a half an onion to ours because we really like onions. The recipe doesn't call for that. But make that like you're going to make regular taco beef. So the next thing you're going to need is 2 pouches of taco rice. And if you don't like the taco rice, because we don't like the taco rice, you can use jasmine rice. So we're going to use jasmine rice today. And it says 2 pouches. A pouch, if you do the math, is about 1.25 cups per pouch. So we're going to do 2.5 cups of jasmine rice. We're going to season it because those pouches always come pre-seasoned. We're going to season ours today with some fajita seasoning because we really like that with our rice, and I think it'll complement the taco seasoning really well. You also need 1 cup of broth, your chicken or your beef broth. Again, we're going to use our chicken broth. You need 1 jar of salsa, 1 salsa jar of water. You're going to need some shredded Mexican cheese. We're using Colby Jack because that's what we like. And then you're going to need 1 jar of queso. First thing we're going to do, since this is an aluminum pan, is we're going to grease this sucker down. We've got this avocado oil. This stuff is great, you guys. I got it in 2 packs at Costco. Lightly greased. We're going to add our rice, 2.5 cups, into the pan, not on the counter. You guys don't want to be picking rice off of the floor for the next 2 weeks. 2.5 cups. We're going to season that up with our fajita seasoning. A couple of good squirts of that.
It's hard to tell with this is so lightly colored, but
I'd say that was probably around probably a tablespoon per cup of rice. So 2.5 tablespoons of seasoning, 1 jar of salsa.
Yeah.
And this is a what is this?
It's chunky.
It's a 15 ounce. I know you like it chunky.
Aww.
I'm just kidding.
Okay. Good job.
All
Hercules,
right.
Hercules.
Yeah. So we're going to plop that in there, and then we're going to fill this up with water. Give it a good shake over the pan.
Oh my goodness.
Just in case it leaks a little bit. Jar of water into the pan. We're going to use the chicken stock here. We're going to add 1 cup of that. This thing is super easy, you guys. Now that we have all that in there, we're going to stir this up. We're going to take our spatula that we cooked our beef with and just stir this together. All right, we got this all mixed together. We're going to take our taco meat and we're going to put this over the top. So I'm going to try and sprinkle it as evenly as I can. Okay, look at that. Make sure that's all in there. Pretty even. Rinse off some of the onions. We're going to top this with some cheese. Is that covered?
No, man, use it all. What are you doing?
Use it all, she says. Here we go.
Yeah, use
Boom.
it. Yeah.
All done. Mission complete. I've got the smoker cranked up to 350 degrees, so we're going to take this out after we cover it with aluminum foil and throw it on the Z-Grill. Z-Grill set to 350. We're already at 332, so I'm going to toss this thing on. We'll maybe let it go for about 50 minutes. Oh yeah, we'll see you guys in 50. So it's been 50 minutes. We're gonna uncover this thing. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
All right, we've got our jar of queso. We had that in the microwave for a little over a minute and stirred it every 20 seconds. We're gonna pour this right over the top. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna grab that, get all that cheese out of there. Spread that out just a little bit. Well, the recipe says 5, but I think we're gonna let this sit on here for about 10 more minutes. That's spread out. And that smells so good. Oh, look at that bubbly queso on top. Make sure you grab a pan to take this in with. Go test this out. All right, guys, check this out. Did you see this? Look at that. We're gonna let this cool. Oh, this is gonna be wonderful.
You get a big old chunk of that. Oh my.
Oh yeah.
That looks so good. We're letting it cool for a little bit.
Yeah, just a minute. Just what?
Go ahead.
Mmm. You got to try that. That is fantastic.
Okay.
All right. I don't know if you got that first taste. I got to try this one more time. Make sure we're talking about the right stuff here.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for joining us today here at Coop to Grill to make the easy, cheesy taco bake. This was really great. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. If you want to see more recipes like this with us, check them out. Put them over here.